everyone, I'm Basmati, owner and founder of Lip Candy. We make lipstick, lip gloss, and other lip products. And this video is the second video of a three-part series where I'm creating lip gloss for darker skin tones. The color that I'm wearing right now is a beautiful warm red tone, and that's the shade I'm going to show you how I made in this video. So if that sounds interesting, sit back, relax, and enjoy. I have my oils pre-measured. This is coconut oil and jojoba oil, and I've got Versagel that we're going to be using today. Next, I'm going to be adding the coloring to the oils. Here's the dry pigment in the oils, and I like to mush them around in the oils to see if it's close to the color that I like. And then what I do is I use my roller mill, my 3 roller mill, to mill down the ingredients to a really smooth, rich consistency. So here's my mill, and I've got a clean Pyrex cup at the bottom to catch the pigment. So let's get grinding.
Here is the pigment going into the 3 roller mill. I pour it in really slowly. And as you can see, it's getting ground up, and I do this because I want the particles to be super fine before I add it to my lip gloss base. You certainly can use pre-dispersed pigments here and just pour it into your lip gloss base if you like.
So here's the red pigment all ground down or ground up using our 3 roller mill. It is a really beautiful red shade. So now I just have to add my Versagel to this, as well as some vitamin E and my flavoring oil, which I'm going to be using a candy scent for this batch. So here's the Versagel. I'm just going to add it to our beautiful red pigment. So now what I like to do is start slowly mixing in the lip gloss base with the red pigment, and just keep mixing, and it will come together like literally in less than a minute. And there it is, a beautiful red lip gloss. So now all I have to do is add my vitamin E, my flavoring. I'm going to be using a candy scent, and I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll show you how I like to fill my lip gloss tubes.
So I'm just gently pouring in the lip gloss into the tubes. It looks like I'm doing it really fast because I've sped up the video. You can definitely use a syringe if you want, if that's easier for you, but with just filling a few different tubes, it's much easier for me in this case.
And there are some pockets of air in it, but they will go away once we put in the lip gloss wand. So here is the stopper. And here's the wand. And you can see it's displacing some of the lip gloss, which is why you need to leave a gap, and then it just fits perfectly into place. And there you have it, our second lip gloss in our series for darker skin tones. So beautiful. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when we're releasing our next video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.